So, quite exciting. Got my Insta360 1-inch kit. It's the ultimate kit. So this comes with the 1-inch module. Just gonna open this up first time. Okay, what do we have here? Right, let's have a look. So this is 1-inch module attached already to the body. That's the tiny little screen. A 360 mod. For the 360 camera, front and rear facing. Lens protector for the 360 mod. 2 batteries. What I like about this is the connectivity, so it's sprung loaded, so you just slide, nice little catch, so you put the mods on here, that connects up to it. We'll have a look at that in a bit. A box containing a quick guide of how-tos, how everything goes together. A waterproofing guide using the 1-inch module and the cage. A warranty card. A lens cloth. Some stickers. And a couple of packets of silica gel, which is really to use in humid conditions and keep with your lens and electronics. The holder and the cage. I do like this slide function. Just slide and that just releases it. Unlike the GoPro one where you have to snap it and pull it, prise it open. It's quite neat. A typical GoPro equivalent fitment, so you can use many accessories out there. Screw thread to mount tripods or anything else on to. This particular one here, it says on the bottom to be used with the invisible selfie stick. That is one of the reasons why I like the idea of the Insta360. It's mighty clever, where the Insta360 camera eliminates the selfie stick. This is a pull-out function on this to extend. Nice and lightweight, made from aluminium. Inside here we have Usbc cable for charging and also for data transfer. And then if we look at this again, the lens looks beautiful. It's a 1-inch sensor inside, which is massive for something like this, for really high definition detail, clarity, color, reproduction. It is quite sensational. And the back here on the mod, it does state it's at a fixed f3.2, equivalent to 14.4 millimeters. So looking at the 360, you've got slots on one side, on the bottom, that aligns with the battery. And then make sure obviously the contacts are together. Looking at the grooves here, you just push and push down and you hear the click. Oh, hello. First time. Do that later on. And then to release, slide, that comes apart. Pull that apart. That's the 360 mod. Let's put the 1-inch mod in. So 1-inch, this is now facing away. So put that battery in here. If I want to have this screen facing, front facing for example, then I need to take this apart. I think that's the only downside to this, is that you have to take it apart in that respect. All the batteries and everything. Okay, so now it's front facing. There we go.